I am Michael Jacob, the Chief Information Officer at Northland Pioneer College. Welcome to our series of how-to guides on using Microsoft 365. In this quick guide, we'll explore the essential tools in Outlook involving email and calendar. To compose a new email, click New Mail on the top left. From here, you can add the recipients of the email, the subject of the email, and the body or content of the email. If you'd like to add an attachment, you can click on the Insert tab, navigate to Attach File, and select one of the options where the file is stored. If you want to add multiple individuals to the email, you can add more than one people in the To line. If you want to include individuals in the email but not directly address it to them, you can use the CC line. And if you want to include individuals to see the email but have their email address invisible to other participants, use the blind carbon copy line. I'm going to go ahead and discard this message, and let's go back and discuss navigation. So on the left-hand side here are where most of your boxes are going to be for your email. New emails will come into your inbox. If you have saved emails that you have not sent yet, they will be in your drafts. And then sent emails will be in your sent items. Anything that is deleted will go to the Delete Items folder until it is permanent deleted, or you can choose to archive it. An email that has not been read yet will be indicated and highlighted both in the preview pane and on the number next to the box that it corresponds to. Here I have a couple different mails that I have already read at the bottom and some new ones here. The very last one on the bottom is a good example of how Outlook will group mail in an email thread. So here I received my initial email. I responded to it, and then I received a response. All of this is grouped into a single view. The top three are emails I've received that are actually calendar events that I've been invited to. I can go ahead and click on those to see details about when the event's going to occur, who organized the event, and the content for that meeting. I can accept or decline either here in the view of the email, or in the preview I can click on RSVP and click accept or decline, or other options as well. I'm going to go ahead and accept all of these. If you ever receive an email that you think is suspicious or you know is junk, you can right click on that email, go down to report, report as junk, or report as phishing if it looks suspicious. All right, let's go to the calendar. Here we can view the 3 meetings that I just accepted. This first meeting is a meeting that's going to be facilitated using WebEx. I can see the joining information here in the body that was automatically populated when the meeting was created. Also, the location has a URL that links me to that meeting. To join the meeting, I would simply click Join Meeting, either within the body of the email, or I can click on the Join at the top. Alternatively, you can right-click and click on Join Meeting as well. The second meeting here is a Teams meeting. I can click Join in the preview, or shown before, I can open it up, click on the link in the details, or click on Join. The last one is an in-person meeting. It has a location already determined where the meeting is going to be held. If I want to create my own event, I could just click on New Event, create a title for the event, add attendees to the event, and then add a location if needed. It will default to the next hour based off of current time. You can always change that by clicking and moving that around. Using the scheduler to view not only your availability, but the availability of any recipients that are included in the meeting. And then finding a time that works with everyone. I'm going to select 10 in the morning. I'm going to go back, review and make sure everything looks okay. And if it does, I can click on Save. If you ever want to change your RSVP status to a meeting, you can right-click on it and go to decline or tentative or even propose a new time. And that's the Outlook core workflow: email, meetings, and scheduling. If you need assistance, please contact the IT Support Center.